You've been forcing things to happen, and it's exhausting, isn't it? What if there was an easier way? One that flows naturally and brings you everything you've been fighting for. Imagine a moment in your life where everything seems to shift. It's subtle but unmistakable. You feel an undeniable pull away from the chaos and noise of daily living, away from the routine that often feels burdensome. You've suddenly realized that you're tired of pushing, of forcing things to happen in ways that no longer serve your well-being. In this moment of realization, you enter what we call creator mode. This is not merely an accident. It's a calling. The universe recognizes that you are ready for something different, something deeper. It nudges you toward this video because you're on the brink of embracing a life where you no longer adhere to old patterns and unconscious habits. Instead, you feel an exciting urge to explore your true desires, your genuine passions, and the unique path that lies ahead. Stepping into creator mode is all about recognizing the innate talents and gifts that you already possess. It's an invitation to stop struggling against the currents of life and instead begin to flow with them. Picture what it would be like to live a life where your actions are a natural extension of who you are, where each step resonates with your inner truth. This is what it truly means to be in creator mode, a state of being where you are fully present, aware, and capable of shaping your reality in ways that are empowering and satisfying. As you embark on this enlightening journey, you'll discover a profound truth. Constantly pushing and forcing your way through life only leads to frustration and burnout. You begin to recognize that many of your struggles stem from a desire to control every outcome, trying to mold life to fit your expectations. However, as you gradually learn to let go of this need for control, you create space for a more organic and fulfilling flow in your life. Imagine being able to ride the currents of life with grace and ease, rather than constantly battling against them. As you adopt this new perspective, you uncover the power of alignment over control. When your actions are driven by genuine passion and inner truth, they become effortless and enjoyable. You'll notice a stark contrast between these actions and those that stem from obligation or the desire to prove yourself. By focusing on what truly resonates with you and releasing the compulsion to control every detail, you invite more joy, spontaneity, and ease into your life. This shift in mindset is profound. You learn to trust that what is meant for you will come, that your role is to remain open and responsive to life's offerings. Letting go of a forceful approach also means embracing the uncertainties of life with curiosity rather than fear. You no longer feel the pressure to have all the answers or to predict every step of your journey. Instead, you focus on the present moment, knowing that clarity and direction will reveal themselves as you continue to move forward. As you embark on this transformative journey, it's important to equip yourself with tools that can amplify your experience. That's why I want to share something truly exciting with you. Have you ever wondered how you can attract abundance into your life effortlessly? Imagine harnessing a powerful method that can align your mindset with the wealth you desire. Meet the 7-second Tesla ritual, created by a PhD neuroscientist. This unique approach is designed to help you unlock your potential for attracting money and prosperity effortlessly. It's a simple yet profound practice that can make a significant impact on your life. If you're serious about embracing your creator mode and manifesting abundance, you won't want to miss this. It's not just another fleeting trend. It's a scientifically backed method that aligns with everything we've discussed today. By tapping into this ritual, you can elevate your mindset and open yourself to the wealth that is rightfully yours. So take a moment right now to check the link in the description. Don't let this opportunity slip away. Discover how the 7-second Tesla ritual can transform your relationship with money and abundance. You'll thank yourself later for taking this step toward a more fulfilling life. Now, let's continue on this journey of self-discovery and empowerment. This newfound perspective transforms how you pursue your goals. You engage with them less like a checklist to be completed and more as an exciting adventure. This invites unexpected opportunities and experiences that resonate with your highest good. You start to realize that focus and intention possess a transformative power, especially when you shift away from a forceful approach to life. What you choose to focus on becomes your reality. If you direct your attention toward problems, they will expand and take up more space in your life. Conversely, when you channel your energy towards what excites and inspires you, those experiences will flourish. This understanding empowers you. Your thoughts and intentions are powerful tools that shape your reality. By consciously choosing where to place your attention, you reclaim your power and become a deliberate creator of your life. Grasping this power also involves recognizing that not every situation warrants your immediate reaction or emotional investment. It's easy to become entangled in conflicts or challenges, mistakenly believing that by focusing on them, you're working towards a solution. In reality, this often leads to more stress and less clarity. When you practice observing these situations without an immediate response, you create space for a more thoughtful and empowered reaction. For instance, when faced with a challenge, instead of reacting impulsively, take a moment to pause and reflect. Ask yourself, why does this situation trigger me? What belief am I holding onto that causes this reaction? This kind of self-inquiry is crucial. Identifying the underlying beliefs and emotions that fuel your reactions empowers you to break free from unproductive patterns. This journey of self-awareness allows you to choose new responses, ones that align with your current values and desires instead of outdated narratives. You're no longer caught in the cycle of automatic reactions. Instead, you become an active participant in creating your own experiences. As you begin to disengage from these old patterns, you may notice profound changes in how you interact with the world around you. Situations that once caused you distress may start to feel trivial, and conflicts that used to draw you in no longer have the same power over you. You come to realize that you don't need to change the people or circumstances around you to feel at peace. True freedom comes from within, from the ability to remain centered and clear, regardless of what is happening externally. By staying grounded in your sense of self, you navigate life with greater grace. Each step you take toward this understanding strengthens your ability to create a reality that genuinely reflects who you are. As you release old patterns and master focus and intention, you fully step into your role as a deliberate creator. This transformation is profound. It changes how you engage with the world. You no longer see yourself as a passive participant merely reacting to circumstances beyond your control. Instead, you embrace the empowering realization that you are the architect of your own experiences. Cultivating a deep awareness of how your thoughts, emotions, and actions influence your reality becomes essential. This awareness goes beyond simple positive thinking. It involves a commitment to living as a deliberate creator. Living as a deliberate creator requires continuous self-reflection. Regularly check in with yourself, asking, is this decision, action, or thought aligned with the reality I want to create? By doing this, you ensure that each step you take is intentional and congruent with your deepest values and desires. This mindfulness allows you to navigate life with greater confidence and clarity, knowing that each choice you make is a deliberate act of creation. As you immerse yourself in this empowered state, you may find that life begins to respond to you in unexpected and beautiful ways. Opportunities that once seemed distant or unattainable may manifest effortlessly before you. The synchronicities and coincidences you encounter are not mere chance. They are the universe's response to your focused intention and authentic living. You will begin to notice that by living authentically and intentionally, you attract experiences, people, and opportunities that resonate with your true self. Your external reality reflects your inner state, demonstrating that when you embody the essence of a deliberate creator, life becomes simpler, more harmonious, and deeply fulfilling. As you continue on this journey of self-discovery and empowerment, remember that you possess everything you need within you to create the life you truly desire. It's not about having more or doing more. It's about being more present, more aware, and more attuned to the infinite possibilities that exist in every moment. The moment you adopt this state of being, your life transforms into something more fulfilling and meaningful, aligned with your true nature. You become an active participant in the grand tapestry of your existence, weaving together experiences that reflect your highest aspirations. Engaging with others on this journey enhances your growth. As you connect with fellow creators, you find that shared experiences amplify your understanding. You'll discover that your journey is not solitary. It's part of a collective awakening. In supporting one another, you foster a vibrant community where everyone can thrive. This interconnectedness serves as a reminder that we're all on our unique journeys, yet we share a common goal: to live authentically and create a life filled with purpose. Embrace the wisdom that emerges from these connections. They enrich your experience and deepen your understanding of yourself and others. Remember, each interaction is an opportunity for growth and learning. You might find that through helping others recognize their potential, you also reinforce your own. This mutual empowerment creates a ripple effect, spreading positivity and inspiration far beyond your immediate circle. As you continue to explore the depths of your creator mode, don't shy away from challenges. Instead, view them as opportunities for growth. Embrace them with curiosity, knowing that they provide valuable lessons. The beauty of life lies in its ebb and flow. Challenges are simply part of the journey that leads to greater clarity and understanding. As you tackle these challenges, you'll begin to notice profound shifts in your perspective. You'll no longer see them as insurmountable barriers, but rather as stepping stones toward your goals. Each obstacle you encounter serves as an invitation to dig deeper into your resilience and creativity, ultimately propelling you toward your desired reality. As you refine your ability to focus and set clear intentions, you'll naturally begin to disentangle yourself from old patterns that no longer serve you. These patterns might have once provided a sense of security or familiarity, but now they feel more like chains holding you back. By becoming aware of these ingrained habits, you empower yourself to choose differently. This process of disentanglement is about recognizing triggers without letting them control you. When faced with a familiar conflict or emotional response, instead of reacting instinctively, pause and reflect. Ask yourself, what is the source of this reaction? Is it aligned with who I want to be? Identifying the underlying beliefs and emotions behind these patterns allows you to break free from them. By understanding your triggers, you gain the ability to choose a new response, one that aligns with your current values and desires rather than outdated narratives. You no longer find yourself caught in cycles of automatic reactions. Instead, you become an active participant in crafting your own experiences. Upon disengaging from these patterns, you may start to notice significant changes in your interactions and experiences. Situations that once caused distress may begin to feel trivial, and conflicts that previously drew you in no longer hold the same power over you. You realize that you don't need to change the people or circumstances around you to feel at peace. True freedom comes from within, from the ability to remain centered and clear, regardless of external conditions. By staying rooted in your sense of self, you navigate life with greater ease and grace. Each step you take in this direction fortifies your capacity to create a reality that truly reflects who you are. With the release of old patterns and the mastery of focus and intention, you fully step into your role as a deliberate creator. This profound change redefines your relationship with the world around you. You no longer feel like a passive participant reacting to circumstances beyond your control. Instead, you embrace the empowering realization that you are the architect of your own experiences. Cultivating a heightened sense of awareness about what aligns with your true self requires ongoing effort. It's essential to check in with yourself regularly, ensuring that your actions, thoughts, and decisions resonate with your desired reality. By doing so, you can ensure that each step you take is intentional and aligned with your deepest values. In this empowered state, you'll discover that life begins to respond to you in new and unexpected ways. Opportunities that once seemed unattainable may start to manifest effortlessly. The synchronicities and coincidences you encounter are not mere chance. They are the universe's way of reflecting your focused intention and authentic living. As you embrace your role as a deliberate creator, remember that the journey is ongoing. Each moment is an opportunity to shape your reality. Life will continuously present you with choices. Make them with awareness and intention. By living authentically, you attract experiences, people, and opportunities that resonate with your true self. Your external reality becomes a reflection of your inner state, demonstrating that when you embody the essence of a deliberate creator, life can become simpler, more harmonious, and deeply fulfilling. As you navigate this path, take time to celebrate your progress. Acknowledge the steps you've taken, no matter how small. Each step contributes to your growth and serves as a testament to your commitment to living authentically. So take a deep breath, embrace this moment, and step fully into your journey as a deliberate creator. Remember, the universe is waiting to respond to your intentions. Trust the process, stay open to the journey ahead, and watch as life unfolds in beautiful, unexpected ways. If you found value in this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more insights and inspiration. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Share them in the comments below. Together, let's create a vibrant community dedicated to living authentically and intentionally. Your journey matters, and we're here to support you every step of the way.